one for a cartoon.
Hello, Neverleak Roofing Company. This is Andrew P. Panda speaking. How much will it cost to put a new roof on my house? Oh, it's about so big.
That would run about $200.
$200? That's an outrage. I won't pay it. I'll show him. I'll fix it myself. And I'm just the guy that can do it, too. $200. Where'd they get that stuff? Anybody can repair a roof. All you need is a little tar and some paper. Yes, sir. Repairing roofs is one of my specialties. Get off my roof, you flea-bitten beachcomber! Go on, get out of the way! I'll show you who's boss here! something happens to me, I'm the most unfortunate guy that ever lived. All my life I've tried to do what's right, but everything I do turns out wrong. I guess I'm just a misfit. Why, you I'll break every bone in your head! Hello, Never Leak Roofing Company? This is Andrew Panda speaking. Will you